Thank you. I take you to America. You didn't go past me. I take you to America. You didn't go. When I talk to my wife, oh, she look up on me, so when I go with it on me, I don't with it on me. When I have to with it happen, she see my bed.
Oh, my sister Kubi, welcome on board. Happy Easter, my sister, happy Easter. John Abong. John Akong, I see you. 21 goes. Don't forget to hit the share button. Oh, my brother Mume. Welcome, sir. Chair, I see you. I'm Bong Jolly, always there. Thank you, bro. Don't forget to hit the share button. I see you. Don't forget to hit the share button. And happy Easter wherever you there. Sorry, so they blocked me for some while. Bati Bobiki, thank you. Matanjo, thank you. Joshi, thank you. Tita Bom, I see you. 21 boy salute. Ojonga, Makum, Mike, I see you, thank you. All the way from Cyprus, I hope say we are there fine with the coronavirus lockdown. Welcome, hit the share button. Get a very powerful and nice presentation. I enjoy a bottle dance all the way from the savannah. Bezam County Foundation, you're welcome. So a salute and happy Easter. Papi Bobo, Tobe salute. Okay, move end of that level. Move end of that level. Fellow Ambazonians, fellow citizens of the revolution, una good evening wherever una dey for here already 4 p.m. Brussels time, while we get 3 p.m. Amber time. I know maybe the people of Asia and all the like, but we would only get evening. We did 1 hour ahead now of Ambazonian. I salute my country people. Una welcome. I be sorry say Facebook will block me for 2 days. Facebook will block me. Now why that way? You see, even the death of Cardinal Toumi, I know if we share, I know if share, I know if comment, I know if do anything. So it expired just an hour ago. Where they ban me say I don't share horrific videos the way they violate the Facebook standard, or which is the policy standard. So they be block me for 2 days because some video in the way where we kill Ekelebe. When I see that video where we touch Ekelebe very well, so as I be share them, they warn me. I still share them. So they don't want me 2 times. I still repeat. So they will block me for 2 days. So it just they just uplifted the ban just some 1 hour ago. Now, by the way, I say Makam can't talk wait it happened as far as the revolution be concerned, and with the sudden death of Cardinal Tumi, and we see where it go on for the as far as the death of this Cardinal be concerned. Then we talk about the missing children, the way we hear every day, and now we see video footages where they come up from ground zero, especially on for Ambazonian territory where because they lost every day. Then we talk on the letter where we see our deacon all the way from Konenge Central Prison where he sent a letter of collaboration and unity. We talk on that one. Then we talk about the launching of the Big Firewood way in the camp so soon tomorrow, Sunday, 9 p.m. Amber time. Fellow Ambazonians, fellow citizens, we don't see we don't listen audios, watch videos. We see right up as far as the death of Cardinal Tumi is concerned. First of all, we the Ambazonian people will get a grievance with Cardinal Tumi of a recent outing as far as our revolution is concerned. We Ambazonians will get, we know say when the revolution will start, Cardinal if they talk the truth, he stand on the truth, and now if you do a census, it says 95% of Ambazonians they want their total independence. And we don't watch even videos where our journalists the interview, he talk and say, he talk with evidence and facts, where he show say now military he commit the barbaric act for our territory. But recently we see he change his step, he change his move. We don't know why he change his step and he move where he go for an early grave. Now, when person don't die, we no capitalize mostly on the bad. We see the small truth where it be doing for foster the revolution. We see even when our boys they be arrested, the videos that they outside, we will see even the prime news, the prime media in the show, how it talk and say they not arrested. They arresting and question, they not abducted, they arresting and questioning, and it talk clean and clear. Now, the shocking news. Now the video, the shocking and very bad video where we see where it circulate over the social media, where we see how Cardinal Tumi he die. They do a video where he dey on top one a sleeping bed on a hospital every day. We never still know. And then they send the video outside. Now they pack that way. Now they pack that way. It hurts we as Ambazonian, because now we give a lens sense. Just a small video where we see the death of Cardinal Tumi when they do them put them outside there. You get to teach Ambazonian people, and they pardon not only Ambazonian, they pardon when they think say La République like them. Me they see how La République they torment a whole person they call them say a whole, because inside Central Africa the only cardinal that with the whole Central Africa. The person where don't serve God, person where don't serve the nation, they go for a retirement, they die. When I see the way they manipulate the corpse, even small picking where they just born them, where it just die from birth. I mean small people where it die from birth. They hide in corpse. People don't even feel, even see the corpse. But we see how disgraceful La République. And they tell we Ambazonians say we know people for that in front, irrespective of the fact we serve them. But see the last end how they treat Cardinal corpse. This one not only go for La République. This one go to all the Christians. All the Catholic Christians, una supposed to be ashamed for yourself. I mean the Catholic Christians. I mean say they carry Christian wey una dey go every day. Now una dey carry peace plan, they march every day, they go for church, they march. We carry na one can. Una here we carry na one can. Una go prepare peace plan, prepare everything, prepare road for say me Cardinal Tumi can pass. Una see the way they humiliate Cardinal Tumi in cops. Cardinal Tumi no be get right for die for the Republic their hand. What it make who said the Christian they I say who said the church the sister they for church. I know say Cardinal they get sister they for church, they get brother they for church, they get Christians. Why Cardinal go die that kind die way? They die for foreign at their hand, and then they make mockery. They make mockery of the cops. They say me they find rope tie because it be very shocking for see how a human being of that caliber, of that dignity, and they die for the hands of people the way they humiliate a corpse. They make a video, it go worldwide. The whole world is shocked because that video, when in like La Republic, the Minister of Health said they arrest that people that they arrested are innocent people. That nurse and the doctor where they do that act, now innocent people. Now the culture of La Republic, now La Republic, they do the act. They didn't do the act now because now nurse or they go out of their profession. They do now way for humiliate the ambassador, for humiliate we. Say now that person that where una call and say Cardinal Tumi, una see how it can die. They carry them for a Christian for Catholic church. When they go move the corpse, now una Christian una will be first. For Sashi or Sana in the highest, una will do all kind of things. Una will dance. Then una see the way una Christians, una don't shiver back. Pardon serve una for years. If you go party go for retirement, party die. Una see the way una leave the corpse, buy corpse, and then French people. Una see the way they humiliate buy corpse. Since when they born me, I never ever see them. To be fact, since when they born me, I never ever see a notable like that one. It died. They make mockery of the corpse like the one they do for Cardinal Tumi. It be very shocking. Despite the fact that we the ambassador will get our grievance we. Despite the fact that we get a grievance with Cardinal Tumi, yeah, because of the recent time where it changed. It must change, but make we no forget. Say this party always took a grounds to tell La Republic to direct for in front. Tell La Republic direct how the situation it did. Tell La Republic it get a stand where it be stand. We not forget. And then we leave Catholic Christians. We not leave an old man for that one for die in the hands of the foreigners, and they talk na French. They talk. They when see how they video you all where you don't die. We see it be very humiliating. I don't know because that video, that people that they do that video, they get aim. Why they do that video? The minister they want come, they want to talk their thing about. The people they only do it when they want them, and they command that from the ministers. When I think say before power die, before they want cover eye, Cardinal Tumi want die, before they want cover eye, they never make calls them. They don't make call. It also it tell the minister say they so Cardinal Tumi don't die. They will tell them say when I do a video, how it did, they stated it did. Because now after when they do that video, when we see how they do video. Before they cover his mouth, they cover his eye. Before they dress it, why you don't dress it finish? Cover it before they do the video. If they want to prove say true, they want to show the world say Cardinal Tumi don't die. Why they don't do everything before they do that video? They put them aside so that if you want to go for public consumption. They don't see where it don't sleep for a bed, they don't die straight. Where we go see that video where it don't sleep, they don't die, they don't cover it. Better say they cover even his skin. Then his face, it show where it don't die. Una aussi person will dey half naked. Person will dey half naked. Price all his skin dey outside. Then una do video. Before una cover your eye. See, if Ambazonian people never start learn sense with this La Republic, if we, the Ambazonian, we never start learn sense, this one he talk for, this one he teach we himself, the youth them. We the Ambazonian where we defend the flag. We don't even know who the regime for Yaoundé be, and he talk for people that serve the regime like slave. Me Dangote, now they call Dangote the prime minister. Me he see for himself. Me he see how me he look. Me he watch that video. See how they humiliate Cardinal Toumi because he no fit reach Cardinal Toumi. Me Atanganji. Me he look. Me they see all the way they serve the colonial regime. Me they see how they humiliate Cardinal corpse. Cardinal command arrive from Rome. Now why that way if you get grounds for that country, pass all the ministers. If you talk, no man will do no nothing. But when I see the way La Republic take and humiliate the corpse, even my power be die, my power be die before people won't come, we don't do everything. You know, take person where don't die. When I do a video, before no one prepare you, when I already do a video, send up outside. The next step, when they were moving with Mutuari, when they will surely move it or just slap. Because after this, we are waiting for the next step. That time when it go there on just slap, when they don't move it for Mutuari, they will snap where they on just slap naked. They show up the wall. Now the next step that, when they will snap, they will take a video where it they naked. They send up for the wall because the one way they don't send up for the wall safe. If a bad pass the one way person fed on top slap. Yeah, because if you take a video on top slap, you say a person go, the one prepare person, but the person will die, he eye they open, he mob they open, they will not do a video. A person of that caliber will not do a video. And then now, some Ambazonians, the way that he talks, that will not think. That will not think. When they watch and show, they don't even learn sense. For no say La Republic, they don't like we. He likes it. And he beg my fellow Ambazonian, he will serve the Republic like what he will lead their enos. He will do anything for these people. These people don't like we. Why would we force ourselves? Why would we beg these people? Why would we force ourselves? These people don't prove say they don't like we. May we go. La Republic no go tell we na say muna go. La Republic is sign them in reaction. All it they do am. It tell we na say enough is enough. In no like we not go. La Republic drive we, but we no want go. La Republic show all sign. They call we so Anglophone. They do this. They show always all sign. But we see they their last. Wait till La Republic give we. I want to ask Ambazonian to say, wait till La Republic it give we. Wait till La Republic give we. La Republic give we wait. Where Cardinal Toumi of that nature. If you go die, La Republic make a proposal, La Republic make video, send them outside. They call it them. Now call it the right. Say, me they bring what justice? When they lock that people for Koninge, when they catch that people, they don't do anything. They don't change anything. The world don't see by how a part die, eye open. The world don't see how a part die, mob they open. The world don't see by he have naked. The world don't see him. So if they lock that people, they what he change? For bring justice, what he change? What he change? Why Cardinal Toumi go fit die for that kind of place? Whether we fit die or be inside heart or we be inside this? Can we get one of the best hospital inside Ambazonia and La Republic? And he told you, can we get one of the best hospital? We say that doctor and the nurses for carry the day. Where if Cardinal Toumi in that state, in that they will take proper care for you so they live the world. We say carry the day. Can we get best hospital for Shinshon? Carry get best hospital for Douala. Then we now live apart there, and we never carry the night. They say, who justice? Who justice when they only do the video, go outside? We now delete all the video where he did outside the separate. They only humiliate a whole Christian. They only humiliate a whole Catholic. Then and now when they come outside, they say, Catholic, they say, justice. Who justice? So if they now wait, tell the key person, I tell when I come with justice. For remedy the situation. Now not remedy the situation. Now time it don't happen now, I can't get crime with justice. See, sometimes be where some way will look the Christian. Would you look the Christianity with the and look at one sometimes with one eye. Yes. Sometimes they will look Christian with my one eye. Yeah, because the example where would you expect me Christian to show them for the world, they didn't want to show them. But every day that they go church, every day that they go church, when I worship Cardinal Tumi like when I worship him like God, when I worship Cardinal Tumi like God, but when I see how when I live it, when I see how when I live it, when I see how when I live a whole cardinal, where if you want pass for some place for inside Cali don't line up. Cali don't line up from here to like 1 kilometer. Where the whole population when I worship cardinal like cake. I said, what's that? This we see a recent video. What's that? Basok people. What's that? The some people they when I go crank a pa. When I be crank pa, they when I live. When I crank in I live. Sam, it's high time, It's high time we know say this regime, the barbaric regime in Yaoundé. It's high time we start think and rethink fine. I just beg and I beg again. We know, and I know best know. Say we the Ambazonian people, we get a grievance with power. But we plead when person don't die, we give a start look good. Because I never see some my way, it die, they shall look only bad. If you gather people die, they shall look a good to them. We get for I beg me no Ambazonian for my own opinion. I need to give opinion for all Ambazonian. Move stop for the share any video. That video. We stop for share them. If it day for your own private consumption, but we just split. We know say Catholic don't yap. Catholic church don't yap, big yap. We no help them for send all those video again for aside. La Republic, we don't really know that stand as far as Ambazonian be concerned. Because never see any big man with La Republic where he die. They do that kind of way they do for Cardinal Tumi. Yes. If the power go hook up, see how they do. I say when man don't die, he don't die. And we know say part of holy man, he die for Holy Week. Cardinal Tumi is a holy person, he died for Holy Week. May his soul rest in perfect peace. May his soul rest in peace. Even though we Ambazonian will get to our grievance with him, but may his soul rest in peace. I want to say, we look for power, a good side where we do them. When this thing, struggle will start, we know say power get a book where the census is still there, where it also say 99% of Ambazonian they want independence. So move just go the what those video statistics that we know say maybe it will be under duress, maybe it will be under pressure for the Republic for change its stand as far as the revolution be concerned. But I want to plead say not to share the video anymore. We know say Cardinal Tumi where will be the grow with the year man of justice. We just please say we will not share any video again, because when we share that video, we need to only sabotage na he. We need to sabotage the whole Ambazonian, because even though it be there so bad, it be there now one of the prominent figure for Ambazonian way La Republic be the fear. Now why the way La Republic go so far for humiliate a corpse for cause we not say pardon die You know, they see what really happened. But now, the 11 now, we were there outside for feel the shame because La Republic do this thing, and they do again for power, and they do now for we, for shame we, for say, we see the best way will be the toxin and disease. So, we stop for share the video. We give power the last respect way it deserves. Because La Republic, they try to humiliate we no mind. Say that they do that thing and say that mistake. Then they do that thing, they get agenda why they do it. They try to humiliate Ambazonian people. So I beg, move stop to share the video for Pa Kalinatumi. Now Pa for all we. So La Republic do this thing, now for humiliate we no now Pa again anymore. But I want to say shame all to Khalid. Any man a Khalid. Khalid, when they there for Ground Zero, I say shame on to Khalid. Shame on to Khalid because Khalid get one of the best hospital the way we know. Pa be supposed to die way. Now different foreigner than the whole Pa in cops way. We don't even see Christians around Pa. When I leave Pa, me Pa die, you know, I don't die. We now get on our own reward. Thanks now for that one. Then I will go now to the missing, picking the way we see for social media, where they come all the way from Ground Zero. I want to tell Ambazonian people something. This war, La Republic fight this war in all directions. More nothing say La Republic fight this war not only in physical direction. Say they go face Amber, they go face our restoration fighters. No, La Republic fight this war in all aspects. La Republic don't go a tendency of kidnapping our people. And you will see, recently we see a young girls of age 15, 16, 18, age 15, 16, 18, where they lost. Una fise where they go. Una fise where they go. And some people just say, me they go for camps, big camps. Yes, we can go for big camps, but we don't say La Republic there behind. La Republic there behind. And now, a word to a wise to Ambazonians, the way they did for Ground Zero. We get to be very cautious and very careful the way we leave our gear picking and loose. The war it don't spoil. The war it don't spoil. Where we don't see every video they come out, they say human part, they say human being and all the like. The baby minister the way they will sit and so they do that work. But now they use Ambazonian now because when people lost now for Ambazonian, you get two things. The Dawara they don't military don't cash say they don't sometimes they don't check your phone. They suspect say it share Amber or they go come bring propaganda say restoration forces. But I want to tell you now, clean and clear, our restoration fighters they need to kidnap and they need to kidnap. We know that one. Our restoration fighters they need to kidnap picking less than 15, 18 years. They need to do that work. They need to do. Well, any picking we don't lost within one day. And when we send your get picking at that age, we get to monitor his activities. I immediately you don't see in less than 2 hours, you don't see just a blow alarm. No wait say midday dark back for us before you start blow alarm. Sometimes before you want to blow that alarm, before you want to wait midday dark, it don't be too late. We don't get multiples of gear picking with the years that they lost for inside the territory of Ambazonian. We know say La Republic they at work very seriously. La Republic they at work. So our population will be very careful, especially for our gear picking them. We know that one. Then the fear boy picking them, they know. They know say any boy, now why they kill them, say they kill all youth. Anything we see a man picking. Because they know say any man picking an Amber. Soft target. So when they say they kidnap that girls and so go for that camp, they sleep off. It be very normal. So they kidnap those girls and can go for that camp, it be their sex toy. Now when this war go end, now for them we will know which way it take place. We will get shocking revelation the way our people, they will tell we when this war will end. We will get a lot of shocking revelation. That one of people me say, either they get two things. They catch them for use for body parts, or they for use of the sex toy. Very normal. Very, very normal. Because when they catch them, put inside military truck, the military truck kick from Yaoundé. No man in the Czech military vehicle will leave Ambassador and enter Yaoundé or enter La Republic. No man in the chicken. And you know, no say they carry the picking go. So we have to be very careful when it comes to this aspect of our and bro, the way they get missing for Ground Zero. Yes, this one I take me to launching of the Big Firewood. Fellow ambassadors, before I go for this issue of launching the Big Firewood, I want to talk something here for fellow ambassadors. Some people are there for this revolution where we think say that they support this revolution, but the day behind. You look, if you go to my profile, you see, it share your video. You see, it share this my video. You see, it sharing my video. You see, it sharing my video. But come, you see, if you post a post, you see a comment, you start doubt. This man really there for this revolution, or now say you want just because we need to understand. Why we are talking, I say, when I see the post where we post for launching the Big Firewood tomorrow, you see some people that comment under it. It is shocked. You say, as I say, bet this man they really support this struggle. I want to tell Ambassador people something. The Bible says, not be all my way called Lord, blood, Lord, it will enter the kingdom of God. And not be all my way here, it is shout, Ambassador, you really support the struggle. Any initiative where it come up, if you truly supporter of Ambassador 100%, where you want to say, you want to call the next day, you want to say breaking news, Ambassador, their independence, it be guaranteed. When at the dream that all we want to sleep, we pray. But now, how you feel you dream that kind of dream, and then you see initiative where you come, where you feel foster the revolution, then you kick against. I want to talk something here. Some people the way when they support Ayabacho, Konenge IG. Ayabacho will bring pin. You kick against. You say scam. Konenge bring big rubber gun. You say scam. The interim government, you bring war draft. You say scam. Erica Toka bring one this you say scam. Who say you really belong? Even you for come out with your own initiative. If you all man is scam for you, if you all man for the revolution as scammer, then now why you when you trust yourself, why you not come with your own good initiative? You tell the Ambassador people say, now your own initiative this. You be the righteous one. You be the one where God don't choose them. You be transparent like Jesus Christ. Why go around all man as scam? We don't be within the revolution where that one a fact. Our boys they need our commitment. Our boys they need our support for Ground Zero. When you can't talk like activists, you talk. That's it. We activists we get calls every day. We even get calls past the LGHS. Boys, they call you, bro. I thank you so much for your outing. I thank you for supporting the struggle. I thank you for this. But bro, we need this. We need this. We need this. Now, if we bring initiative, we'll bring this. We bring all those initiatives. We go back to our LGA. We fit our LGAs. All the complaints we get up. Because most of the LGAs and the county chair, they need to get calls like the way we will get them. So when people for Ground Zero, they fit with information, we directly send that information to the LGAs. At times, if we see the LGA is slow, you know what, built up to our expectation, and we told the CCA, not all LGA they be capable for do it the way we want them. But Ambazonian people collectively, they fit do it the way we want them. We bring the initiative to the Ambazonian people. Not that all man with LGA. Not that all man belong to LGA. Some people they want personal initiative to support. Some people they want personal initiative to support. Not that say they against LGA. But now, when you come, you kick against. They want bring the one, it says come. They want bring the who will be the righteous? Who will be the righteous person now for the revolution? Because you there, you support the Konenge IG. They bring that all this thing, you say scam. That means you don't want to see anything related to project. That means your own support for the revolution. I say me, you don't want to sweet talk. You and don't do this. Our boys of Ground Zero don't do this. You don't. That means when I don't want to sweet talk where people don't come with social media, they preach sweet talk. Then our boys them for down, they don't get the material they want. They don't get the material they want. Ambazonian people need to know which way they go on, and they get to know how the state of the revolution. They get to know which way the boys want. We get to tell where we want to communicate. We get to tell the Ambazonian people say the Ground Zero say they need this. Ground Zero say they need RPG. They don't tell me say nah, he be the game changer. When we can tell the people say Ground Zero don't talk say they need not this. Then why? Why you can't kick against? And then you go, you share Projeka, you show, you share Nancho, you show Clevy, you show, you share Female General, you share UN, you show. And then when it come to these same people that you believe in, they come with project, you go right under scam. Scam how? You scam who? They scam now who now? You scam people. How much? You scam blood money. How much your scam will take? How much? You scam blood money? Because the money people they give them, now people they have blood money. Irrespective of the fact that the money you come out for diaspora, that money now blood money. That money for diaspora now blood money. They don't give the money now because say peace there for Amazonian. We give another one. The people they contribute my money now because say people they die for Ground Zero. The blood of the people. Now it make all we come together for join our resources. Say we will fight the barbarian regime because our people they die for Ground Zero. We not come here because a peace is there for Ground Zero. We can't contribute money. No. So we will be very careful. The way we do in an ulti way, you must work for your own way where you want them. If you get your own way, contact people behind. Share your initiative. Share your ideology with the people. If you go there, we bring that forward. Or still, if you bring that out, if you not be married, you come online because in a man will show face. You share out. So, bro, you think so we go. You get your initiative. If you even get some people, you know, they get people behind when a potential donor. When I get on a project, when I execute that, when I carry on, you just call, say, bro, you get some project. When I don't execute and how when I want execute for them, they will direct how to do it for them. Personal initiative. Now you come to a collective success. Personal initiative, it come to collective success. We not live for some particular group of people. We they only on 5. We decide on 5. So on 5, we give 3 months for supply 5 acres. We supply 5. I say we want to see. We play the coal. We want to play hot. 5 acres. Now 5 boys to will make the play hot. Now we have personal initiative that for foster the revolution. Now we have effort. You know, we say we must come into the whole number. So you have small collective effort the way they do them for them. You will not define. You the content how I do explosive. You go internet. You the study how they do explosive. If you call 1 or 2 boys and for them 1 or 2 or 3. You say now, you say you don't know how they do explosive. Just have $500 wasting for them 2. They do the thing. You tell us when I do so they do them. In 1 year, boom. Now success that to us. So we get for the go in that direction. All man for Ambazonas will be a military. All man for Ambazonian supposed to be a military. We're not supposed to be a comedian. No. We're not supposed to be a comedian. We're supposed to be a military. We're supposed to think every day. Now what we do for liberate the homeland. Every day. We're not going to Shillong. I can't talk say Britain don't talk so, UK don't talk so. As we can't talk, as we update the people who are bringing for the work, which way we do for liberate the homeland. If international body not come, we go that thing say international body will not come. That means we will lose the war. No, we not lose the war because the international body not come. So we have to be very, very, very careful. So fellow Ambazonians, fellow citizens, we don't see the letter from Patterson where he talk about collaboration or talk very brief about unity and collaboration. I would say he part stipulated very well. No man, no day, no man, where he born of a woman, where he did against unity and collaboration. If he did against unity and collaboration, that means he don't belongs to this revolution. Now so Patterson talk, and that's true. But we have to get the terms, we have to know how we unite, how we collaborate. We cannot say Atanganji get platform. My country people they get platform. This one they get platform. We go collaborate, we go unite with my country people. We go unite with Atanganji platform where we already know that stand. So fellow Ambazonians, fellow citizens, it don't talk. Say the Konenge IG. If the one unit two platform, two IG no fit be inside one revolution. Two IG no fit be inside one revolution. But we keep the one. We not to talk. But we just no say national Patterson talk. Two IG no fit be inside one revolution. Yes, some people they just say this. Some people in there for this revolution they be so selfish. Some people in inside the revolution they be so selfish. Where if they even give them the independence, they will sell the territory. Yes, some people they inside the revolution where now for that personal gain, where they will give. Okay, when I imagine say. Ayabacho, Akwanga, all them that NCNC people, and I want to tell Ambazonian people something here. When I look at keenly, the NCNC people, that people them, that ideology of NCNC that time, that people them NCNC that they worry with struggle carry now. I talk say against it. That people they belong to NCNC. NCNC, not them disturb with this struggle to carry for the present moment. I don't know whether the NCNC will be all about power. I don't know the objectives of the NCNC, or the NCNC will be na say we go fight the war without blood, or they will take independence without sharing blood. But we the never again generation will don't come. The NCNC they vex. Now look at very well. Now the NCNC they vex say they don't hijack the struggle. Now look at very well. The NCNC people, you will come out, you school for Boya, or na University of Boya, you don't even know Dian. When you come up for go sell property, for go sign a deal, when you come out for go sign a deal for some land, where you don't even know play way, that thing you come out, no be great. That means I don't come to Belgium here now. I don't go sign a deal for sell Belgium oil. We are not even no play the oil come out. Oil. When I think for the whole nation. Oil come out and Dian. I say Ambazonian people will do. Oil not the national. Oil is in Dian. If you don't play Dian, you don't know. You don't know Bekora. You don't know Ekodo Titi. But you just go for go sell. We don't even consult the other parties. And then when I tell you why man will take me serious. One man, you get a group. You go sell property where it belong to a nation. Go do a deal. See, even fraction, but at times times you bring a fraction, you call your own comrade them. You say, now some deal this. See, despite the fact, say we get fraction, but Ambassador no be for negotiation table where all the fraction you no be for table. Oh man, you will get the same. Provided you belong, you will believe for the independence struggle. You don't go negotiate you one. No one man if you negotiate for a country. No one day for life. One man, no fit. If you know that one day for some people that bring score say, now they people stand negotiate. No one man if you negotiate for a country. That one give another one very put up our brain. So if you support one man, you will hear tomorrow say, now the man you go for one Norwegian government, now the man will go for Swiss initiative. He one say I be a commander in chief. Now me, I want to negotiate for the whole territory of Ambassador. We waste our time. We waste our time. So, fellow comrades, fellow Ambassador, tomorrow on fairly 9 p.m. Amber time, we launch the Operation Big Stick. So we invite all the LGA chair first. All the LGA chair. Because the project is a project for LGA. No, not a project for Karango for another space. Now project for LGA. So we invite all the LGA chair. We go for various LGA. Just tell them say this project na project for una. No, na project for some country. Na project go LGAs. And na LGA they will use them. No, na the we. No, na we will use them. Na LGA will use them. But now we never know the first LGA will use them. We never know the first LGA we will use them. So, fellow Ambassadors, fellow citizens, now Prince Jeka come live. We'll just end the show here. Say una happy Easter and una stay blessed. While we will wait for see una tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching.